November? What? Hey, this is Gary Brunn, the undercover agent for OLS, Sitel, and Teleperformance. I've just learned that the top dog is in Moncton again for the third month. We need to get him out of there today!
It's me. Top dog?
We're on it.
Move. Hurry up.
Moncton!
Hey, what's that for? Huh? What do you got that for?
I don't know.
What's up with that?
I just like the way it sounds. I just
Huh?
like playing with it.
What's up with that?
I don't know.
Huh?
Where'd you get it? I'm sorry.
Where'd you get that?
I didn't know I was doing anything wrong.
Huh? What?
I'm sorry.
What's wrong with that?
I'm just having fun. I'll put it away. I'm sorry.
I think you should.
What do you got that for? Who are you throwing that at?
No, I just like the way it sounds.
Huh?
You don't need that.
Well, you don't need it.
Hey, have you seen the top dog? A thook is a thook.
Second
part of this video.
Video again. The second part again. Oh, I got my eye on you.
Have you seen the top dog?
I'm having my lunch, guys.
He's having top dogs.
Top dog. What? Who gave you that?
Oh, it's my lunch. It's my lunch.
Who gave you these?
Who gave you these?
My lunch.
Top
This
dog.
mean that top dog's still in
Top
Moncton.
dog.
It's ridiculous.
Top
Have you guys seen the top dog?
Top dog?
Have you seen the top dog?
Top dog. Where's top
Which
dog?
way?
Which way is top dog?
That way.
Listen, I'm a patient guy, so you better tell us what we want to know, because this guy is not so patient. Hurry up, man, I can't hold him back anymore. Tell us what we want to know.
This guy's not. He's not talking.
Hold it.
Hey.
What's in the
hold it
bag?
there.
Just my lunch?
Let me see that. That's just your lunch.
What's your name? What's that?
What?
No, hey,
no,
what-
but
What's this?
it's my lunch. I swear.
You eat dog bones?
Top dog?
Well,
Have you seen the top dog?
but
Top dog. Huh?
No.
No top dog? Where's top dog?
This is ridiculous. Moncton's
Top
still
dog.
here. Moncton!
You hear that?
Yeah. Here's the dog.
The bone. Done. Let's go check it out.
Just your lunch, eh?
Top dog? Top dog.
Are you watching the Top Dog site and giving me top dogs? Giving me top dog? Alright, you told us what. So what's your lunch, buddy?
Top dog.
I can't believe you're watching the website. I can't believe that.
just another day in Moncton. Want some hot dogs?
Train leaving from Moncton at 2 p.m. Train 333 leaving from Moncton, 5 minutes. Train 333 leaving from Moncton, 5 minutes.
Oh, you know what, Andre? There's no way anybody can keep the top dog out of Moncton.
Top dog in Moncton again.
It's gonna happen for a while.